Hello everyone! You surely know that after 10 years you need to replace components of the LPG system in your motorhome or caravan. On the one hand, that's the gas regulator and that's also the gas hose. And when it comes to components that are crucial for safety, you really tend to avoid changing manufacturers. Today we're going to show you with the example of switching from a Truma DuoControl CS to a Caramatic DriveTwo by GOK that such a change in manufacturers is relatively easy. And it proceeds relatively quickly and even offers significant major advantages. We're replacing a complete two-cylinder system consisting of the Caramatic DriveTwo gas pressure regulation system from GOK and the two gas hose lines. Of course, we're not doing this ourselves, but we've gotten assistance from the professional workshop. Hello. First, let's take a look at the dismantling of the facility. Just a small note, the gas filters are not subject to any replacement interval. Indeed, it's definitely a good idea to make it a routine practice to check whether they might possibly be dirty or oily. Just look at them. Here's a quick reminder at this point that you don't need to go through the trouble of individually removing the nut and olive yet again, since you can very effectively continue to use them with the new system setup. Therefore, they don't need to be swapped out. At this point, you can already see the biggest advantage of switching from the Truma DuoControl CS to the Caramatic DriveTwo by GOK. The installation dimensions are identical, meaning you can really perform a one-to-one replacement. It proceeds extremely quickly, very fast, and certainly it saves both the professional workshop and you quite a significant amount of time and money. The Caramatic DriveTwo is already installed. At this point, the technician is focusing on addressing the hose line. It should also be mentioned at this point, although none is installed here, if you have a controller heating, Eis-Ex and/or a remote display installed, it is possible to continue operating them if you switch to the Caramatic DriveTwo from GOK. And this is how the fully installed system looks with the Caramatic DriveTwo and the two gas hoses. You witnessed how quickly and smoothly and indeed how easily it went. Furthermore, at the end, just a crucial reminder. The gas inspection in accordance with G607 is absolutely mandatory. And now let's take a quick look at how the professional technician does it. Otherwise, we say thank you for your attention. We'd be happy if you leave a like or subscribe. See you next time.